Have you ever noticed how the loudest person in the room often grabs attention, but it's the quiet ones who leave a lasting impact? In our noisy world, silence and subtlety are frequently misunderstood as signs of weakness or disinterest. But the truth is, these quiet approaches are incredible strengths. They allow you to influence perceptions without force, building respect and intrigue effortlessly. Today, we're exploring 5 silent psychology tricks that can instantly shift how others see you, turning quiet presence into powerful charisma. First, embrace the power of pausing before you speak. Psychology shows that people who take a brief moment to respond are perceived as more thoughtful and confident, rather than impulsive. For example, imagine you're in a heated discussion with a colleague who's pushing their idea aggressively. Instead of firing back right away, you pause for a couple of seconds, gather your thoughts, and reply calmly. This simple act reframes you from reactive to composed, making others value your words more and see you as someone in control of the conversation. Second, use strategic silence to let others fill the void. Research indicates that staying quiet after asking a question encourages people to share more, positioning you as a strong listener rather than a talker. Think about a casual chat with a friend who's venting about their day. Rather than jumping in with advice, you nod and remain silent, giving them space. This not only deepens the connection, but positively reframes your quietness as empathy and wisdom, instantly elevating how they perceive your emotional intelligence. Third, subtly mirror the other person's body language. Studies in social psychology reveal that mimicking gestures, like crossing your arms or leaning in slightly, builds subconscious rapport and makes you seem more approachable and attuned. Picture yourself at a networking event where someone is animated with hand movements. You gently echo their posture without overdoing it. This trick reframes any initial shyness as relatability, changing their view of you from distant to instantly likable and trustworthy. Fourth, maintain steady but comfortable eye contact. Psychological research demonstrates that balanced eye contact conveys honesty and engagement, boosting your perceived credibility without a word. For instance, during a job interview, instead of staring at the floor or darting your eyes around, you hold gentle eye contact while listening. This reframes quiet moments as focused attention, transforming how the interviewer sees you, from nervous to poised and reliable. Fifth, adopt an open and grounded posture. Science from body language studies shows that standing or sitting with relaxed shoulders and uncrossed arms signals confidence and openness, influencing others to respond positively. Envision walking into a social gathering feeling a bit reserved. You keep your chin up, feet planted firmly, and arms at your sides. This subtle shift reframes introversion as quiet strength, making people drawn to your calm energy and perceiving you as approachable yet authoritative. These tricks remind us that true influence doesn't shout, it whispers and waits. If you've ever felt overlooked for being on the quieter side, know that your subtlety is a superpower waiting to be harnessed. It validates who you are while opening doors to deeper connections. If this resonated with you, hit that subscribe button for more empowering insights into personality and psychology that can transform your everyday interactions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.